In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile photo frame on LinkedIn in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to freshen up your LinkedIn profile or want to add a topical frame related to a recent event or achievement, changing your profile frame can significantly impact your online presence. Let's walk through the process step by step, making sure you feel comfortable and confident in updating your profile like a pro. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the LinkedIn website. Once there, you'll see two main options for signing in. You can either sign in with Google or continue with your existing LinkedIn account. Depending on your browser's security settings, LinkedIn might ask you for a CAPTCHA as an additional security measure. This is perfectly normal and is just a way to ensure it's really you trying to access the account. Once you're signed in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. There you'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this list, you want to select View Profile. Clicking this will take you directly to your personal LinkedIn profile page where you can see your complete profile. Now for the main event on your profile page, click again on your profile photo. This time you're not just opening your profile but entering the edit mode for your profile photo. In this mode, you'll notice an option labeled Frames. Click on that. This action opens up a selection of frames you can choose from. LinkedIn offers a variety of frames, from general themes to more specific ones related to events or personal achievements. Take your time browsing through the available frames until you find one that resonates with you or represents what you want to showcase on your profile. When you've made your choice, select the frame by clicking on it. You'll be able to preview how your new profile photo with the frame applied will look. If you're happy with it, the final step is to click on Apply. And just like that, your LinkedIn profile photo will now display with the new frame you've selected. Updating your profile with a new frame doesn't just make your profile stand out, but it can also be a way to communicate your professional achievements, support for causes, or participation in special events. It's a subtle yet powerful way to tell your professional story and strengthen your personal brand on LinkedIn. Remember, keeping your LinkedIn profile updated and appealing is key in today's digital-first world. A refreshed profile photo frame might just spark new conversations and opportunities. Don't be afraid to experiment with different frames throughout the year to keep your profile looking fresh and engaging. I hope this guide has been helpful. Changing your LinkedIn profile photo frame is a quick and straightforward process, but it's one that can have a significant impact on how you're perceived online, so go ahead, give your LinkedIn profile a little update. It's a small change that can make a big difference.